Hi, welcome back. In this video, I will show you how to edit Sitah filter using Lightroom mobile, and this is before and after using this preset on some sample photos. First, go to Light. Exposure to -0.20. Contrast to 20. Highlights to -35. Shadows to -5. Whites to 9. And blacks to -13. Next, go to Curve. On this filter, just set the white and green curve. And I've made these curves before. You can pause this video to make them. You can also get these presets for free. Just find password in this video. Next, go to Color. Temperature to -4. Tint to -6. Vibrance to 68. And saturation to -31. Next, go to Color Mix. For red, hue to 20. Saturation to 47. And luminance to -52. For orange, saturation to 15. And luminance to 10. For yellow, hue to -65. Saturation to -57. And luminance to 53. For green, hue to -80. Saturation to -100. And luminance to -25. For aqua, saturation to -100. And luminance to -30. For blue, saturation to -80. For purple, hue to 50. Saturation to -100. And luminance to -25. For pink, saturation to -100. Next go to Effects. Clarity to 46. And to His to 20. And last, go to Detail. Sharpening to 12. Masking to 32. Noise reduction to 20. Contrast to 7. And color noise reduction to 25. You can copy these preset settings and paste them on other photos. And you can also adjust it again, according to your wishes. Okay, I hope you like this preset, and see you in the next tutorial.